Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here, and I honestly just played with it. I did it as they spoke to me and I really loved it. So if you guys want to know how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to be going in with my 25C Morphe palette and going with the Matte shade. And I'm just going to use that as my transition shade and buff it out all over my eyelid. Try to get it on top as close as I can to my brow. Okay, transition color looks good. Now I'm going to go in with a different palette from Morphe, and that's the 25B, and use this shade right here. And I'm just going to try to apply that at the end and at the beginning to make kind of like a hollow form. Now I'm going to go back in with that Matte shade from the first Morphe palette and blend that in. Blend that purple. So it won't be too harsh and you won't have that purple all over and it looks messy. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 25B and use this shimmery shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that shimmery gold shade right in the middle where I left that space to create the hollow on my lid. Ooh. Now I'm going to go back in with that shimmery shade with the really pointy brush and create my lid basically. Going back in with that purple shade from the 25B, I'm just gonna go back in and fix it, make the purple pop a little bit more. Now going back in with that Matte shade, I'm going to blend everything out like I said. I don't want to blend the purple out because I feel like purples are really hard to work with. And if I buff it out, it's just going to look like a black eye. So therefore, it's better to use your transition shade to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner from NYX. And I'm just going to apply that as close as my eyelash line. Just because I don't want it to be really thick. I just want the black in there. So when I apply the glue for the eyelashes, it won't look off. That's for the people that have black eyelash glue. To finish up the eyes, I'm just going to apply lashes next. To really finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And my beauty blender. Just blending that very softly. I don't necessarily like to touch foundations. I like to go with the second round of foundation just to really cover everything up. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer and conceal all my T-zone and under my eyes. And I'm just going to conceal my T-zone, my forehead, of course, under my eyes, my nose, and my chin. And I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. Okay, that's it for concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my 8H contour palette from Morphe and contour my face with the shade Donut. And I'm just going to apply that right below my apples, my cheeks, so it won't look too harsh on the face. Now with the really tiny angled brush, I'm going to contour my nose. Try not to make the line too thick, because then it's just going to look like a hot mess on your nose. I try to do it as tiny and skinny as possible so it won't look bad. Now I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just perfect my nose and correct it. I just carefully go over the line, so like I said, it won't look too thick and too harsh on your face. Next, I'm going to use a really tiny angled brush and go over my waterline with the same shade I applied on the lid. That purple shade. Now I'm just going back in with my beauty blender and cleaning that. Now going in for highlight, I'm going to go back in with my 8H contour palette and use the first shade right there to highlight. Okay, for highlight, I like to apply some setting spray just to make the highlight really pop. So yeah, I'm just going to wet my whole beauty blender and apply that. And actually, one thing I learned from Jaclyn Hill is that it's really good to apply your highlight with your beauty blender so it won't look that harsh and it won't look like a straight line. Just really blend it onto the skin. Just letting it. Oh, it's nice. Next, I'm just gonna apply my highlight all over my T-zone. Where'd my highlight go? It's right there. A little bit on the forehead, because I like to be shiny. Now to really finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with the shade right here. Now I'm just gonna apply that right here in my inner corner, just like the other eye, and my brow bone. Oops, a little bit more. And the brow bone. Okay, eyes are done. Now to finish the look, I'm gonna go in with this lipstick right here by Jeffree Star. Now I just went in with the black shade and I'm just putting it in my waterline so it won't look too empty, and only in the outer corner, not fully on the eye, just to not make it messy. And lastly, of course, we're going to finish up the look with some setting spray. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the look. I hope you guys really liked it, because I know I did. And just do me a favor and subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys want me to do any other looks, what looks you want me